Hi everyone. This is Neha, and today I'm happy to introduce Kinjal and Nikhil. I was there to support the birth of their daughter a few months back, and I'm looking forward to hearing from them. Maybe first you want to share a little bit about your birth story.
Yeah. So hello everybody. My name's Kinjal. I gave birth to my daughter around 6 months ago, and we did have Neha as our doula. And why we hired a doula was because we were very focused on having a normal delivery. But it is not the outcome of the birth. It is the process of it. It is what you feel and how you experience giving birth. So, if I have to cut everything short, I know that having had a normal delivery was one part of it. I'm very happy that we could do it. But what really makes me happy is the process, those 12, 14 hours of labor. Going through just knowing that you're 2 centimeters dilated and reaching 10 centimeters, and the process of it, that the constant emotional support that, you are giving birth. And this is the most beautiful thing on earth. So I don't think everybody gets to experience this. But being new parents and having this kind of information, I feel like this is one of the biggest aspects we should be focusing on when making our birth plan.
Yeah. In fact, Kinjal, now you're saying this, I'm remembering through labor, it was really hard for you.
Oh, it was
It was
really
very
hard.
hard. It was really very
you
hard.
yeah, you broke down, you said I don't want to do it, but then when you finished it, now you
Yeah.
look back at it positively. That is the interesting thing. You don't look
Yeah.
back at it as a negative experience. So why do
No.
you think that is the case? Because when you were in the middle of labor, it was really hard. You had a
Yeah.
very different labor for sure.
Yeah. So let's rewind a little bit. So when we actually got about, I did not even know about Lamaze until Nikhil introduced me to these kind of classes. And there is when I understood that having comfort in the person you are um, depending on is very important. So I think Lama's classes give me a lot of insight on what birth is. If you are actually intending to try for a normal birth, then what are the things that you should be looking forward to? So through Lama's classes, we made a decision that no, we are going to have a doula. Also because emotional support is to be given by somebody who is a little more better informed. So our parents are going to be there. Our mothers can be, our husbands can be your providers, but they are not equipped with that kind of information. Emotionally, they're there to help you out, but emotionally and information based, if there's some help that you want, then I think this is the best way. And like you said, Neha, oh God, I broke down 5 hours into labor, 5, 6 centimeters dilation. I'm like, no, this is not happening. I cannot do this. I'm just okay with it. Just do whatever, just get it done. I'm done with it. But yeah, I do understand that you were there and the kind of just like, Kinjal, it's okay. Maybe let's wait it out 15 minutes more. नहीं हुआ तो देख लेंगे. नहीं हुआ तो देख लेंगे. वो नहीं हुआ तो देख लेंगे. I actually reached 10 centimeters and I delivered. But yes, I truly feel that, those 7 hours of labor, the last 5 centimeters to 10 centimeters, जो भी वो calculation होता है, that without you, I wouldn't have done it. Because also one more thing is, when you have a family as your care provider, you are going to be very emotional and be like, नहीं मुझे नहीं होगा. But when you have information and somebody who's in that particular field, that person is telling you that, it is possible. You still just have to relax and do it. I think that was one of the main things I looked forward to, and I think I'm like, हाँ ठीक है सब बोल रहे हो रहा है नेहा सिंह हो रहा है तो हो ही जाएगा.
One step at a time. No, I
Yeah.
think for you, the definitely, I think both Nikhil and I were a good team together. That's how I
Yeah,
remember.
yeah. We were a great team.
How do you think that worked, Nikhil? I mean, I think both of us were taking turns in being there for her in different ways because you, after all, are the father of the baby. You will also be you a little bit more emotional to see her going through that difficulty. So, how do you think a doula's presence helps the father?
So first, I want to set the context right. So when we thought of having Lama sessions with you, the main reason why we wanted to have that is to have a clarity on what the actual birth experience is, and we are going to be first-time parents. We are having a kid in our family. I think almost like 20 years down the lane. So we've never seen this. We've never heard about any birthing experience happening in our family. So after the Lama sessions, so we were sure of having you as a doula. I thought the labor is going to get over in like 5-6 hours. I practically thought that okay, it's going to be like a little bit of pain and she's going to go through it and we're going to handle it. But at the situation, I really gave up. I didn't want to give up, so I really gave up, and that's when you came in and you said, Nikhil, it's okay. We are going to do this. We are trying our best, whatever the outcome may be. But so that confidence which you gave me during that time, apart from all the Lama sessions and all the reading, podcasting, whatever we've gone through, that helped a lot.
Yeah, I think otherwise it can be difficult for the partner alone to be there physically, emotionally. I mean, dads also sometimes have difficult experiences. So I think the dad needs someone else who can step in. The dad needs someone who can counsel them and tell them that it's going to be okay. So people think doulas are only for the mother in labor. It's actually for both.
No, it's a teamwork. I completely agree, Neha. Eventually, there was a point where I actually gave up, and I was about to sign the form for a C-section. It was too much, and that's when you used to come and assure me, saying that Nikhil, 10 more minutes. Let's give her a little more time, and then we'll see what the outcome is. And so, yeah, it's a teamwork. Whenever I was stressed out, I could go out for a coffee. Just being reassured, Neha is there with Kinjal, so I could go take my break and come back, recharge to motivate Kinjal. So it helped us a lot.
I'm glad.
I'm glad to.
I recall the
What
entire
was-
birth process and I'm like, wow, it was so beautiful actually.
Yeah, it was
So-
beautiful.
Yeah, it was really beautiful. I think this experience that I carry through my life, that my birthing was like beautiful. I do not associate it with, oh my God, I wasn't able to do it and I had to push it out, or I don't have any trauma related to it. It was a beautiful experience. I am so blessed and I actually feel so accountable that, I had to go through it and I went through it really gracefully is because you were there and Nikhil was there. And I understand the teamwork. Like, when I don't want to confide into this, but I really feel that, a partner's place is a partner's place, but a doula's place is a doula's place. And when they come together, that's when you're not left alone. And that's when you know that, I'm just going to go through the process and they're going to take care of it.
So we're going to row the boat.
Yeah.
I think yeah.
So, and I'm just, I have to give birth. It is like entirely on me. But then having that back end, just having that information back in, that they're there to take care and they're there to take the medical introspection to another level. And I think this is a tale I'm going to tell multiple times because I'm so happy with my birth.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to hear that because people think that because birth is difficult, it is traumatic. Birth is difficult, but it need not be traumatic. Your birth was really hard, but you went through it. You now
Yeah.
came out feeling like, wow, I actually
Yeah.
did it.
Yeah.
And
And I vividly remember that part where you're standing beside me and I'm crying my lungs out to Nikhil that Nikhil, मुझसे नहीं होगा, मैं मर जाऊंगी. And Nikhil kept on saying, नहीं मरेगी. Your mom gave birth 3 times. My mother gave birth 3 times. So नहीं मरेगी. And it also depends upon the hospital you choose. And I was very lucky and Nikhil was very, this is what I'm going to decide. So that also adds on to its own charm. But
yeah,
definitely,
a doula can also only do so much. The medical
Yeah.
staff also has to be supportive. If they are not
Yeah.
patient, if they are, scaring you and telling you that you have to have a C-section, what will anyone do? Neither can the father do anything, nor can the doula. So that's
Yeah.
definitely a
Correct.
part. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me one more thing. Now, doula services cost money, and people they're not able to really understand the value of spending that money. So, what do you feel about that? Like, how do you justify spending the additional money over and above your hospital fees for a doula?
See, I think Neha, people spend a lot of money during their entire birthing process. It can be at the start where you start spending on photo shoots, on your baby moon, and during choosing your hospital, a lot of expenses which we incur, which we try to comfort the mother at each stage. So I don't think so doula is expensive. Frankly, I think if you can afford it, if it's just a fraction of the cost, at having the kind of support you're going to get through labor, I think anybody and everybody who can afford it should, blindly take it. It's just to have that clarity that doulas are something which are going to help you through labor, which is going to benefit the mother years to come, right? Her health is at toss. So if you can do that, I think it's not at all expensive.
Thank you.
Nikhil and I had this conversation. I'm a very calculated person. Everything is calculation based. So if it doesn't fit right in my head, in my Excel sheet, it's not going to work out. So I think when we were done with the Lamaze classes, right, I'm in my 7th month, and now we need to get Neha on board. That was when we had this conversation, and I told Nikhil that this is like the expense, and Nikhil is like, so Kinjal, you have to understand. So this period that you're on is like the best vacation of your life. So
Yeah.
are you going to compromise on it? This is the best investment you're making for you and your baby. This is like, because I think we understood that birthing is hard, but Nikhil believes that if there is something at your convenience and if you can afford it, really afford it, then go for it.
Get better.
And in the years to come, this story, this birthing tale that you have, that you're going to tell yourself, is going to be so much more calmer. You're going to be so confident about it and so happy about it. So that if you see the experience of so many years to come, I don't think it is expensive. It is an investment you're making for yourself, for your baby, and for
For the
for
mother.
the happy memory.
Nikhil is truly a good businessman. He knows where to invest for long-term benefit, not just some short-term gain. That is what
Yes.
is good business strategy, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes,
Awesome.
Neha.
Tell me one last thing. When you met me or when you spoke to me, what did you find? Why did you pick me? Is there anything that you were looking for? Were you looking at experience? Were you looking at personality? Were you looking at some knowledge? What were the things that you felt helped you make the decision?
So Neha, there are two things which helped me make the decision. Okay. First, so I found you through a reel on Instagram, and it was through a person whom I trusted. So that gave me reassurance. Second, when we took the Lamaze classes, the clarity and the I would say, yeah, the clarity on the process, the birthing process you had, and the way you explained it to us, actually made me very clear that we're going to take Neha as our doula. There was no second thoughts on it. And then you came home also. I remember you coming to Kinjal's place, and Kinjal was there. So she was very comfortable with you. So that's when we took the decision that, yeah, Neha is going to be a doula.
Thank you. I enjoyed being with you guys because I enjoyed the honesty and simplicity with which you all went through the process. Kinjal's innocence and honesty, it's amazing, and you both make a really good team. I think this is just the starting for you guys. You will be amazing parents to see, and maybe more kids to come, and we'll see each other again in the future. Let's see.
Maybe.
Baby.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Neha.
Thank you so much, Neha.